So, is time travel real? I mean, really real? Well, in a way, yeah, it kinda is. And the craziest part? You might have already done it on your last big trip.
I want you to think about this for a second. You get on a plane, you fly for more than 10 hours, and you land before you even left. Sounds impossible, right? Like something straight out of a movie. But this isn't science fiction. This happens all the time.
It really does seem like a paradox, doesn't it? But it's not a magic trick. And in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and see exactly how this time-bending phenomenon works.
Now forget everything you've seen in the movies. We're not talking about flashy time machines or breaking the laws of physics. Nope. This is all about an incredible illusion created by the very planet we live on.
So, where do we even start to unravel this? Well, the first clue is right under our feet. It all begins with the simple fact that our planet is always spinning.
Okay, so just picture the Earth, right? It's like this giant spinning top, and it's always turning to the east. Always. One full turn takes 24 hours. This simple motion is what gives us sunrise and sunset, and it's the engine driving this entire experience.
This means when you get on a plane and fly west, you're doing something pretty cool. You are literally chasing the sun across the sky. You're in a race against the Earth's own rotation. And that's where things start to get really interesting.
The Earth's spin is the natural part of the equation, but that's only half of it. The other half is all about human ingenuity. It's about a system we invented to make sense of time all across the globe.
24. You see it on your clock every day, but it's more than just the number of hours in a day. It's the key that unlocks this whole puzzle. And why 24? Well, because that's how long it takes our planet to do one full spin.
So, to deal with this round, spinning planet, we humans did a very human thing. We organized it. We sliced the globe into 24 different sections, or time zones. Each one is an hour apart. It's a really smart way to keep everyone in sync. But it has this one really weird side effect. And that side effect is exactly what makes this whole time travel thing possible.
All right, so we've got a spinning planet, and we've got our 24 time zones. But there's one more piece to this puzzle, a kind of secret ingredient, an invisible line on the map that has the power to literally bend time.
You know, every system needs a starting point, right? A reset button. And for our global clock, we needed one specific place on Earth where a day officially ends and a new one begins. This is where the real magic happens.
And there it is, the International Date Line. This is it. This is the world's official calendar reset switch. When you cross this line, you're not just changing the time on your watch. You are literally jumping from one day to the next. You're leaping into yesterday or tomorrow.
Now, this line wasn't just invented for fun. It was created out of pure necessity. Back in the 19th century, sailors on these really long voyages kept getting their dates all mixed up. So navigators came up with a simple, elegant solution. Let's draw a line in the middle of the Pacific Ocean where the world's day will officially flip over.
And here's the rule that changes everything. If you fly west and cross that line, boom, you just gained a full 24 hours. You've time traveled. Welcome to yesterday.
Okay, so let's put it all together. We have the planet's spin, we have our 24 time zones, and we have that invisible line in the ocean. Now let's take a real flight, San Francisco to Tokyo, and watch this illusion happen right before our eyes.
Okay, check this out, because this is where it gets a little wild. The flight itself takes 11 hours, but Tokyo is 17 hours ahead of San Francisco. So how in the world do you fly for 11 hours, make up a 17-hour time difference, and still somehow land earlier?
So here's the secret. During that 11-hour flight, at some point you cross the International Date Line. And the moment you do, bam, the calendar rewinds a full 24 hours. That one move completely cancels out the time zone difference, and then some. You're not just flying to a new city, you are literally flying into a different day.
I mean, when you think about it, it's such a beautiful and simple idea, isn't it? There are no complicated machines, you're not breaking any laws of physics. It's just a peaceful kind of time travel that's been hiding in plain sight this whole time.
So the next time you're on a long-haul flight heading west, just remember this. You're not just a passenger on a plane. You're a time traveler, and you're just riding the natural currents of our spinning planet.
It's a pretty wild thought, right? That at this very moment, yesterday and tomorrow are both happening right now, just separated by an imaginary line in the middle of an ocean. It really makes you wonder, if you had the choice, where would you rather be?